I'm not going to make a unboxing video which that I buy from subscription stuff or makeup stuff or anything, but I'm going to do an unpacking unboxing of my material that I'm going to use for my business, craft business. If you don't know, please check it out. It's broke. Come on, everything is handmade. God, you check it out yourself. 10 parcels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to drop this stuff and 10 along. Anyway, so without further ado, let's go straight ahead. Which one should we open first? Honestly, I don't remember the specific things in here, because even though I got this listed from in my phone. Yeah, I'm recording on my phone. Sue me. Anyway, I don't remember which is what, but I can tell a few. This one is going to have that. Is going to have help. I'm just going to open this one up first. So the big ass first. Trusty knife. Trusty scissors. Damn. Okay. So, yeah. So this is polyester felt. This one I have been planning to do something special for this upcoming 8 Mubarak. The slide. I think you guys should check it out on my Instagram. Anyway, it's going to have plus during this PKP stay at home stuff. There's going to be a stay at home promotion. Since PKP is extended until 12 May, so it's going to be extended until PKP ended. Seriously, we're not going to stop it. Anyway, yeah. I hope you guys can wait. We're planning to do some specials for the Raya edition, and yeah, I hope you guys can, excited for it. Moving on, moving on. I think I'm going to do this one last because it has a box and fits to the title, unboxing. At least we have something to unbox. And this one, everything is unpacked. So not sure what this is. I like small stuff, so let's just open this one. Ooh. Don't remember what this is. Yeah, I'm Malaysian. I'm Malaysian who speak English. What do we call? Malay celup. This is going to be one of the items which our specials is going to be. This one is from Monster Craft, I think. You guys can go check it out there, and they display a lot of stuff. They have a good quality of it. I really think this one is. Now, just want something tajam. What tajam mean in English? Sharp. Anyway, let's. So as you can see, it's long ass stuff. It's 3 centimeters there. 3 centimeters long. I'm going to do a quality check first. 50 pieces of this. Hooray! Okay, anyway, 2 then. 8 more. longest one. Alright. Oh, okay. 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 Still, we have another one. This one is in 2.5 cm. So I have two sizes. Then, oh my god, this is so cute. It's so cute. I don't remember. I clearly don't remember. Can you see this? Come on, focus. Stop focusing. Come on. Focus, please. Come on. Pretty please. I can't. Anyway, this is it's Monty. Small Monty. Please. 0.5 5 mm Monty. So cute. Oh, I think it's going to be so pretty. Anyway, also including with the special edition stuff. Yeah, we're doing this unpacking stuff is for the Raya edition. Adding this. Anyway, I know what this is. I know what this is. Oh, we're not going to use our scissors. Is that? Oh my god. Oh. So it's a box. Yeah. It's a foldable box for every purchases. Start off by 21st. I don't remember 20. I think. Just for. That's right. It's weird, but hold on. Let me fold one. Like this, I think. And I'm going to figure out later. Anyway, yeah. If this box doesn't work out, I need to order another one. I've been serving though. I've been serving some boxes, cute boxes, like small earrings box. It's cute. What else? We can't use nails for this. Good. Alright. This is a sew on chalk. Let's just assume that you can focus this. I mean, everyone can see this, right? Doesn't focus. I'm so sorry for the low quality pictures. It's so pretty. Got blue, pink, black. It's nice. Green, red, purple. Yeah, I like purple. I'm vibing for purple. Blue. There's a light blue and there's a dark blue. I'm so going to have fun doing this new stuff, and I think you guys can already figure out what I'm doing. So let's just proceed everything. This one is the heaviest. I want to open this one. I don't remember. Nails. I'm going to do it. Still have to use this freaking. Right? one, they call it sequins, glass piece sequins. I'm not sure. No, you cannot focus. But I'll show you. I'll show you. Yeah, this is to add to the collection. Variety of colors. We have blue. We already have blue, red, gold, white, black. What else? Oh, what else? Then we add green, brown, and beige, purple, and a little rainbow color. Anywho, 6 of this, and money for weight. Okay, the biggest one. Nails. Okay. Yeah. It's for the packing. What the hell is this now? This is what we call a little baggie. Organza bag. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, a little update. After using my nails, my fingers, look what happened. It's freaking turned orange, man. Damn. Didn't notice. Anyway, little baggie. A little baggie for packing stuff. And 3 more. Honestly, I'm getting tired. Alright, what is this? Aww. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, look, I ordered something from the Shopee, and well, this person, the seller, I don't remember who, but Mawa Trading. It sent me a cute note and a free gift, man. Look, it's cute. It's a little panda, man. Look, Shopee panda. Then there's the Gucci. Yeah, damn, wait. Then their card. Look, they handwritten it, man. Dear Africa, thank you so much, and please stay put at home. Sincerely, Mawa. Yes, I will stay put at home. I have nowhere to go, man. Yeah, this is the what you call slip receipt. Yeah, got free gift and which one did I open? Did I lost it on it? I swear, sometimes I'm just an idiot. Anyway, continue. It's like opening a present, man. So fun. Yeah, got Labucci. The reason why I choose mixed colors is because this is going to be my first try. Oh my god, my finger is so distracting. Anyway, this is going to be the first try, and various look colors that I want to try. So, being very stingy to myself, even to my own business, I decided to buy the mixed one, and I think it's not enough. I'm regretting my decision. I should buy more because I thought 600 would be enough. Yeah. Anyway, and then there's this. Okay, let's just read one. Okay, alright. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I'm not sure if you can read that. I really hope you can do it. No, it's not focusing. Damn. Is this how we do it? No, I'm not good at this. I hope someday I'll get better at it. Anyway, we got stickers, motivational stickers. What the hell am I going to do with it? Nothing. Just want to spend my money for it. Anyway, yeah, it's not going in. It's not going in. So, Mama Trading, if you're watching this, I'm not sure if you're watching this, but thank you. Everyone is staying at home. I know PKB is going to be rough. I mean, we even extended it for like 12 May. And blah blah. 12 May is such a long time. It has been like more than a month. And we're missing our friends. I miss my friends. And I miss the life on the foot in the outside. Look at me stuck in here. Anyway, moving on. I'm going to use my nails because I'm going to watch them. Okay. Okay, I know what this is. I know what this is. Plastic is so sexy. It's frosted. It's like Elsa vibe. Elsa. Yeah, I just watched Frozen 2, so not the first time though. The third, fourth time. Anyway, ta-da! It's a bunch of beads, multi shapes, and colored. Wait, what the hell I'm going to do with this? Check it out in my Instagram. You must. You better. Just wait. So that's good, right? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Finally. Damn. Almost 30 minutes. I'm just going to put it. I should try to use my nails right now. Yeah, by the way, excuse my nails. They how to say? I was doing some projects that required long fingernails, and I haven't cut them for it, but after it's done, I'm going to cut it off. Anyway, what do we have? Oh my god. Can you guys see? I assume you guys can. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, I remember. Look, do you guys notice if you like or one of my you've been checking out my Instagram. I've done this paracord bracelet. Yeah, has these charms with your knee. It's super dope. I think I have it somewhere. Wait. Yeah, this one. Super dope. Yeah, come on, don't tell me it's not dope. Well, this is one of the favorite designs designs, the most requested, the most favorite of all. Yeah, we got a bunch of colors. You should check it out in our Instagram and make yours. There's a lot of colors to choose from, and there there are not that many. I think there's six colors that we have, but it's going to be hard as hell. It's going to be complicated when you choose your colors. Yeah, check it out. You can put your names. And during this PKP, I'm going to do an ad right here, and who cares? Anyway, if you buy this, the retail price is according to the letters. 3 letters, 12 in Malaysia. 3, 4, 4.15. 4 letters, 15 ringgit Malaysia, and 5 at 17. But during this PKP, we're doing the promotion, right? Remember the promotion stuff, and the promotion is going to make this bracelet, a card bracelet, at retail, at promo. You can buy it at 12 ringgit only. It doesn't mean is you can put how many words you want, how many letters you want. It's still going to be 12. So yeah, go check it out. Anyway, you got stretchy string. Anyway, yeah, I bought one only because there's another one, and hopefully it lasts because I'm focusing more to the paracord ones right now. Then there's this, a wax cotton cord, and lastly, some more seed beads. Why? Just why not Africa buy multicolor? See, I told you I want to try new things. I know I bought these, but I still buy these because I just want to see if there's some colors that I don't have, maybe use it, Yeah, there's turquoise in here, man. Yes, there's turquoise in here. It's so pretty. Anyway, so you guys watch for yourself. Yeah, this is everything. And okay, so that is all for today, our unboxing video. And I swear it's always, and I'm not sure if you're having fun, but I am having fun. Though this is my first unboxing video, it's a new experience for me, and I hope you enjoy it somehow, some way. But do let me know in the comments if you want to see this stuff more, because yeah, I'm sure as hell who's going to keep buying stuff for my business stuff. And if you like, I'm going to do it like regular every month of a video stuff. And I don't know if maybe you have another thing, maybe you want to request some videos, please let me know down in the comment. Anyway, I'm going to put my Instagram, business Instagram, personal Instagram for you guys to follow in the description box below. What else? I don't know what to say anymore. I'm surely hope that during this PKP that everyone's just keep staying at home, be safe, keeping healthy, and for the Muslims, Selamat Hari Raya kau. membarakan ni, dengan mubarak ni kita mubarakkan mubarak asik. Bro, I'm not that pandai anymore. And hopefully this month is going to be the best Ramadan this year, because we're staying at home and we're enjoying our most of the times with our families. Bila lagi boleh berbuka dengan family, right? Buka puasa, sahur, like tarawih sama-sama. Even though we cannot tarawih at the masjid surah, but please just keep doing them. And those yang mana boleh like cuba like khatam Al-Quran within the month, that would be great. If not, it's okay. A page a day is fine. So at least there's something you contribute for yourselves. It's not for your parents or anything. It's for yourselves. And well, more or less, you're going to hear some new updates from me. And this is my second video, so there's going a third, but it's going to be unrelated, man. I might be doing some makeup looks. Should I do it? I mean, I'm an amateur. I freaking told me I'm amateur, man. Look, it's not that great. I mean, it looks normal, but anyway, maybe I will be doing for depends on your comment below, and I really hope to my non-existent followers, subscribers, viewers, please do follow me on Instagram. Trying to update every now and then, and yeah, I hope you have a great day today. So